New at 5, a national nonprofit is launching a new initiative to bring affordable housing options to Tulsa.
Fox 23's Jenna James was at the Greenwood Cultural Center for the announcement.
The Ann and Henry Zarrow Foundation has invested funding into the Tulsa launch of Housing Partnership Network. Robin Hughes is the CEO of Housing Partnership Network. On Tuesday, Housing Partnership Network announced they chose Tulsa as its third major partner city, after the Gulf Coast following Hurricane Katrina and Detroit. She says in Tulsa, 46% of renters are cost burden, meaning they're paying more than 30% of their income to cover housing costs.
A person who is working a minimum wage job in the city would actually have to work 79 hours, 80 hours to afford a typical one-bedroom apartment here in the city.
Tulsa Mayor Monroe Nichols says Tulsa is top 15 in evictions in the country. The recently elected mayor focused his campaign on housing and homelessness and says at least 900 students within Tulsa public schools are unhoused.
It has a crippling effect on chronic absentee numbers. It has a crippling effect on academic achievement, and it further perpetuates a vicious cycle of poverty.
Chief Operating Officer at the Tulsa City County Health Department says there's a link between housing and health, and with this new collaboration, families will have access to affordable housing.
A stable and healthy home is not just a luxury. It is a fundamental human right, directly impacting our physical and mental well-being and a critical factor in achieving overall health equity.
Dr. Joyce McClellan with Friendly Community Development Financial Institutions Tulsa agrees reaching these goals over the next 5 years will require support from community organizations.
We look forward to figuring out how we can do a better job at collaboration because it's going to take all of us.
Mayor Nichols says next month is when the new senior advisor on housing will start to work with the city. In Tulsa, covering news that matters, Jenna James, Fox 23 News.